Hello everyone! I hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to help you plan your 2-day holiday in Phu Quoc Island in Vietnam. This video also contains a hotel room tour and provides an idea of overall budget at the end of the video. So do not skip and watch till the end of the video. Phu Quoc Island is set to be the next hot destination in Southeast Asia, also called as the next Phuket. Now, let's jump into the video. Phu Quoc is just a 30-minute flight from Ho Chi Minh City. The interesting fact is if you're only visiting Phu Quoc Island from outside of Vietnam and you're not going to mainland Vietnam, you don't need Vietnam visa, and you can get visa upon arrival in Phu Quoc. Always please double confirm the visa procedures before you visit. On your day 1, you can take a group tour to visit the major attractions in southern Phu Quoc. In this tour, you will visit the coconut tree prison, learn about the pearl harvesting process, enjoy Sao Beach, the most beautiful beach on the island, discover Phu Quoc Pagoda, the Buddhist temple, cable car transfers to Aquatopia water theme park. You will visit the pearl farm, learn about the culture of pearl harvesting. The staff in the pearl farm will explain the steps involved in pearl harvesting process and show the treasures of the local sea waters. You can also buy pearl ornaments, pearl powder, and souvenirs here. Next, you can have lunch at the famous Sao Beach, which is known for its clear crystal turquoise waters, and white sands beach for swimming and relaxing time. Afterward, drive to Han Tam Island. Enjoy an exciting ride on the world's longest cable car rides, high above the sky, with a spectacular panoramic view of fishing villages, town landscape, and surrounding islets. And then arrive at the Aquatopia water theme park. You will spend the rest of the day for around 3 hours in the water park and return to your hotel. On your day 2, you can do island hopping tour. We suggest taking a 3 islands trip in a big relaxing boat. You can book all the tours via CluCap or directly from the links given in the description. On your 3 islands tour, you will first stop at Mong Island for swimming and snorkeling. Next, you will move to Gam Ghi Island coral reef sites to explore underwater sea life and corals. Your lunch will be served on the boat. After lunch, the boat will be anchored at the lively and popular Mae Route Trong. After that, you will have free time to try many water sports activities offered on the island Mae Route Trong, or sunbathe in the shores. If you have an extra day, you can visit the Vin Pearl Safari Park and Vin Wonders in the northern part of Phu Quoc. let's see the hotel room tour of one of the beach resorts in Phu Quoc, the Saigon Phu Quoc Resort. Finally, let's see the budget. The 2 nights overall budget for this itinerary costs you around $260 for solo travelers and $530 for 2 adults and 1 child while staying in a mid-range beach resort. The budget does not include your flight expenses. Please check the detailed explanation of the budget shown in the video for your future planning. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell. Thank you. Have a nice day.